In this video from FFX, we'll show you how to use an orbital sander. An orbital sander is a great tool for preparing surfaces before painting. Depending on the type of paper fitted to the sander, you can achieve a huge variety of finishes, from roughly removing old paint to achieving a smooth finish on wood. The motor moves the sanding pad in an orbital motion, and the amount of movement can be controlled via the variable speed dial. Simply affix the grade of paper the application requires. The harder the timber, slow the speed of the motor down. Equally, if you just want to key old paint before repainting, use a slow speed. For rough, weathered timber, use a more abrasive paper and faster motor speeds. If the material won't be painted, but instead you're using lacquers or varnish, use a random orbit sander. These help to prevent swirl marks and allow the sander to be used against the grain of the wood without damage. Remember, dust extraction is important. Most orbital sanders are supplied with a dust bag or can be attached to an external dust extraction unit.